About Sonsodo fire, I rushed to the site. I called all the authorities, the concerned police, the municipality officials, the fire officials. Since the quantum of fire was very high, I have sought help from the additional fire brigades from the Konkani and Purchorem. So they are on the way actually, and we are trying to pour down the fire before it spreads onto the dumps. So to my understanding, the fire has been struck because of some sparking of the high tension line which passes through Sonsodo. And the grass being dry and the climate being little windy, the spread has been very fast. So the authorities are swung into the action. I also have asked PWD if they have mud trucks so that we can put it along the side to prevent further spread. So let's hope for that. My name is Prasad Volvoikar.
Deputy Collector.
Yeah, I am the Deputy Collector, Prasad. So with me we have the PIs of Kolwa, Fatodda and Mainakurtori police stations with their staff for the law and order issues. And also the officials of municipality are there. PWD officials are awaited to come on the site. I have contacted them to be there.
Okay. Yeah.